Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to force turn off or restart your iPhone. Now, I have an iPhone 16 Pro here, and if the screen is glitching or there's an issue with your iPhone, it doesn't matter which iPhone you have. This works on every single iPhone model. What we're going to do is first locate the volume up and volume down button. So you'll be able to see as you look at your iPhone, it's on the left. Volume up here, if I tap on it, it turns the volume up. Tap to turn the volume down. And then you're going to locate the side or power button. It'll be on the right hand side of your phone. Now we're going to do this sequence to be able to force restart it. We're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold that side button until you see the screen go black and an Apple logo appear. So I'll walk you through that step. So volume up, volume down, press and hold. Now you'll be able to see it says slide to power off, but we're just going to continue to hold even when it says slide to power off. And eventually you'll be able to see the whole screen goes black. However, we're going to continue to hold that power button until we see that Apple logo. And then we can release our fingers and our hands, and you'll be able to see it goes through the process of doing the force turn off or force restart. This fixes tons of bugs and glitches. You'll be able to see it doesn't cause any problems or issues. It doesn't delete anything. And essentially your phone will just reboot normally, a lot of times fixed. Again, if you didn't get that the first time, make sure you do it fairly quickly. Volume up, volume down, and then press and hold that side button to do that force restart. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.